Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is position and movement. First of all, today we will learn position and movement. What is position? What is movement? Okay. As you can see in this lecture, we are just common use word are transform, objects, image, reflect, translate, rotate, enlargement. Okay. These are the common word that we are using in this topic, position and movement. Whenever you see these things, these words, so it's easy for you to understand that we are discuss position and movement. Let's start. First thing, what is transform? So it's a 2D shape by reflecting, translating, and rotating them. Means that is called transformation. If you reflect, that is transform, translating, that is transform, and rotating, that is also one kind of transform. Now these are the summary words. Okay, now what is image? The shape after transformation is called image. You need a mirror line to reflect the shape. Means here is the mirror line. If you set any object is here, so image should be there. Now these are the common things that we learn. Like here is something is here. If you are say I'm translating this thing, so it's means you are just moving from this place to this place. So you just tell me how many squares you are moving down or up or left and right. Now when we are talking about rotation, so you know here is your object. You said that here is your midpoint. So you rotate any image by 180 degrees. So it's moving from here to here. So from here to here one box, so here to here must be one box. So after that you are putting, so if he's moving clockwise, so it's moving like that. Okay. So next two boxes we cover like it. So these are main things that we are discussing. The enlargement. Enlargement is of a shape is a copy of object, but it's bigger. Means anything you see these things, this thing, but it's very small. But they are enlarged. Means they just zoom that thing. Okay, so it's called enlargement to make any smaller thing. Okay, transforming shapes. Now we will discuss transforming shapes. So with the help of this example, you know. A diagram show a triangle A. Draw the image of a triangle. Reflect in up the line y is equal to 4. Label the image B. Okay, you just first thing you reflect. You first the thing, the most important thing that you do here is you just draw an image mirror line. Okay, with the help of this, it's easy for you. Now it's reflect. When you reflect, so y equal to 4. So when y is equal to 4, when we are reflecting, so it will be look like this. We say y is equal to 4 should be the mirror line. Okay, by reflecting this shape, so you will see that the thing that is shown in the red line, that is a mirror line. Draw the reflect of E in the red mirror line, label the image B. So the opposite of the mirror of A should be B. Same as it is translation. 3 squares right means from here to here, 3 square right. 1, 2, and 3. And 2 square down, 1 and 2. So where is this point? The point should be here. So it should be your C point. Rotation 180 degree about the point of 4 and 5 means coordinate 4 and 5. Where is 4? Here is 4. And where is 5? Here is 5. So you can rotation 180 about the point. This is the point. Okay. From this point, this means your common point. From here, you are rotating. So if you rotate your A, so from here to here is one box, so here to here is another box. So rotation should be like that. Okay, that is 180 degree. Now the rotation of 90 degree clockwise about the center of the rotation line 1 and 5 means here is 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is here. So if you rotate only here is the 9, 1 and 9. So what is your rotation? You are just rotating from here to here. Or if you have 2 and 5, so your rotation should be after that when you rotate from here to here, so your rotation mirror line should be changed, so you will rotate from here to here. So your E point should be here because he just mentioned here your reflecting line should be 2. So as it is same, we are solving this all. Now copy each diagram at the mirror line with the given equations and reflect the shape in the mirror line. X is equal to 4. Where is x 4? From here you are drawing a mirror line. So what I do next is reflect. From here to here is one box difference, so here to here must be one box difference. So your shape must be drawn like this and like this. Okay, so let's check. Look, 4 is a mirror line, and he will draw like that. Next here is y is 3, so 3. Here I draw a mirror line and reflect this. There is no difference in this mirror line, so here is also there is no difference. The same as it is. He said 3.5, so in between 3, so the difference is half, so half should you also left half here. So as it is same shape you are drawing. Translation. To draw the image means the same thing we are doing. This one 3 square right and 2 square up. From here to here, right 1, 2 and 3. 3 square right and 2 square up. 1 and 2. So your shape must be here. So as it is same, here is up, so your shape should be up. Same as it is so easy for everyone to finish this. Now here is rotation. Question number 3. He said use the information and rotate the shape. So here he just said center should be 4 and 4. Where is 4 and 4? 4 and 4 should be here. So he said if the 4 and 4 should be here, so what you do, you will rotate 180 degree from here to here. So means this shape will come here in this box. So let's check. Look at here. As it is same you are doing. The remaining all question you should do like as it is same. So from here to here when it's moving, so it will come here.